Our user-to-user transfer feature may sound like a standard tool in a SocialFi ecosystem, but we've designed it with a purpose. Every transfer carries a 0.5% fee, and 100% of that fee flows directly back to the community through Pay It Forward rewards. It's proof that even the smallest mechanisms, when aligned with the right incentives, can help power an entire ecosystem. We are currently built on the BNB Smart Chain, with additional blockchains planned in the future to support a wide range of users and ecosystems. Simply select the BNB PIF chain to continue. You'll see your available balance displayed at the top. Simply fill in the fields and the USD value will automatically populate, showing the conversion fee and outgoing amount. Enter the recipient's username and select from the populated drop-down list. We also transparently display the fee distribution and daily transfer limit to help prevent any spam activity. Finally, click Process Transfer. That's it. Your transfer is complete. No third-party providers and no hidden fees, discouraging your transactions. Everything happens directly within the Benefactor.net ecosystem, fully transparent and recorded on-chain. To view your on-chain transaction hash, simply go to your dashboard, click Pay Information, and select the transaction to view the details. This receipt confirms your transaction details and provides an external reference link to view the transaction hash on-chain. Sometimes the simplest features can become powerful drivers of an ecosystem. In this case, user-to-user transfers quietly becomes a major contributor to the entire Pay It Forward ecosystem.